Life hacks, baby. If you didn't read the title, then you're wrong. Because we're doing what the title says. We're going to be doing a paperclip phone holder because we have billions of paper clips here and we don't know what to do with them, so we'll just make a quick phone holder. So first you got to get your phone. This isn't my phone, so it's a phone. Next you got to get one minuscule paperclip, one very tiny paperclip. You have to curve the outside corner, right? Like that. Go like this. Life hacks, baby. This next life hack is actually pretty epic when you think about it, because remember those times when you were in school? No, you guys are like 12. You know those times when you're at school and you have your backpack, but then one of these things broke. So you take the little corner thingy here, and then got him. Now you can zip. Now you can zip up. Ready for school. Just with a paper clip in your hand. Easy. Water's boring sometimes, so clear. It's just not fun to drink. It's not a fun drink. Like, what can you do to make it fun? Do anything with the paperclip. What's this? Right now I'm grabbing a water bottle. Get a water bottle. The two things you need, all you need to make your water drinking experience
epic.
Take the thing. On jaw. Bang. Now, all you have to do, oh, I'm thirsty after playing outside, walk back in, ha 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 ha. What you're gonna need for this one is a straw and a few paper clips. And I might be adding things on as I go because I am doing this off of my head because I have no idea what I'm making. Paperclip into where it has the hook. Put that in here. Tighten it so it's tightened. Now, when you're looking for Nutella, so all you have to do is take this straw, smell it. Nesquik is a good taste. It's a good taste, but it can really hurt your health. And your health should not be jeopardized just because you want chocolate. So that's why I came up with the contraption called the Nutella Sniffer. Oh! Okay, so we're on our 7th life hack now? 7th? Yep. 7th life. Oh, dude, we were only supposed to do 5. But I'm doing 7 because I'm just that good. So, last one that I wanted to show you guys. This one's actually really cool. You can make this paperclip disappear. Watch and learn. Wow, would you look at that? Now I can bring it back. Bang! Alright, thank you guys for watching. Now you know how to do things with paper clips that you never knew you could do before, thanks to me. What? Did my paperclip straw just make this red? What?